The heat wave across India is all set to continue over the next 2 days as well. The Met Department has predicted that the national capital Delhi will experience a maximum temperature of 41 degrees Celsius today. Delhi on Thursday recorded the temperature maximum of 43.6 degrees Celsius, the highest for the month of July in 90 years. The heat wave has also pushed the city's peak power consumption demand to 7,026 megawatts on Thursday afternoon, the highest this season. Now, as per IMD, the heat wave conditions will continue to persist in pockets over Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, North Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Northwest Madhya Pradesh, basically the northern region of the country, over the next 2 days due to likely dry westerly, southwesterly winds coming from Pakistan.
फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जुलाई में मानसून डेफिशिएंट रहेगा नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया और सेंट्रल इंडिया में, और नॉर्मल टू एबव नॉर्मल रहेगा। वेदर डे टू डे चेंज होता है और इसके अंदर एक्सट्रीम वेदर होता है, और ये सीजन जो है, इस सीजन में ही हीट वेव प्रिवेल करता है नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में।
Delhi continues to reel under a heat wave as Thursday's temperatures touched 45 degrees in some parts of NCR. Today on Friday, similar temperatures expected. The IMD has predicted that the temperature will remain around 42 to 44 degrees. But there is a possible ray of hope as there could be thunder showers in isolated areas in NCR. However, the monsoons, which the capital city is desperately waiting for, are still at least a week away. In New Delhi with cameraman Sachin, this is Anisha Mathur for India Today.
So if you have been feeling hot in the past few days, you're not alone. The temperature has definitely been rising and escalating and will continue to. We have now the data of how the temperature has been in the past few days. Let me now take you through in the next few days and how it's going to be. But first, on June 25th, it was about 43 degrees Celsius. It did come down the next day. However, since then, the graph has only gone up. June 27th, 40 degrees, goes up 41, 43, 43.6 on July 1st. This is, of course, based on the IMD data. So 43.6 yesterday, expected to come down today, but it will be escalating and persisting in the next 2 days as well. So stay cool, stay safe, stay indoors as much as possible. Take care of yourself. It's a wrap on this bulletin for now. You can always log on to indiatoday.in for all the latest. Stay tuned. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.